Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Ford Explorer. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, speed-sensitive wipers, a blind spot monitoring system, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power-adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.